I'm Jessica again. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, then it's not again. Hello. I'm just going to do a little bit of moving and breathing today to help with stress and anxiety and feeling a bit disconnected and discombobulated in difficult and unsettling times in particular. So start sitting, be open. So I talk in other videos about being open. So we're just going to lifting the belly up. We're not pulling back. We're not pulling the shoulders back. We're just letting them drop, but we are lifted up through the front so that we can send a message to our brain that we feel safe. Unsafe, safe. Okay. So we're upright. And if you are feeling a little bit disconnected today, a really lovely thing to do is just to pressing the feet into the ground. Okay? So we're going to press the feet into the ground when we breathe in, and we're going to release when we breathe out. Okay, so we're just going to start with that, just pressing the feet into the ground and releasing. Might do it with a little sigh the first few times. Don't follow my breathing pattern, choose your own. What feels right for you right now? And we're going to try and get a little bit of strength through the legs as we press in. So we're pushing, we get a bit of strength in the calves, and then we're pushing and we're getting a bit of strength in the thighs, and then we're pushing and we might even try and get a bit of strength into the bottom of the belly. And this is what wakes up our nervous system a little bit when we've kind of gone a bit floppy or a bit into a freeze state and we're feeling a bit rigid and scared in that sort of floppy, hopeless way. Okay? So we're just pressing and releasing. It's a really nice, quick way, if you're finding it difficult to get moving, to wake the nervous system up, to wake the body up a little bit. Okay? So you can do that for longer if you want to, but we're going to move to stand for a moment and just do a little quick nervous system reset. Okay? So these are great ways to just get the nervous system to reset quite quickly if and when we need to, as many times in the day as possible. So I do this when I'm boiling the kettle or I'm just, waiting for something to cook in the kitchen, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is just have a shake, okay? It's always a funny one. Whenever I do this with people the first time, they're always a bit sort of like this, and this is not what I mean. Bouncing on the knees, okay? The feet are comfortable. You might need to be far apart or closer together. Just see what works for you so you feel stable. The knees are doing the work. They're bouncing, and then the rest of the body is relaxed. So your bum's going to jiggle and your belly's going to jiggle. Your chest is going to jiggle and your arms are going to jiggle, and your arms are so relaxed. Your hands are flopping. You can hear my voice. You can hear that shake in my voice because I'm really shaking everything. So we're letting everything go. We're shaking the fascia underneath the muscles that are connected to the bones, all the places that store tension when you're stressed and anxious for any period of time. Animals do it. This is a mammalian natural response to let go of tension, is to shake. If you've got dogs or cats, you're going to see them do this. You're going to see them shake sometimes. Okay. And again, do this for as long as it feels nice, okay? Do this for as long as it feels nice. And your shaking might be a bit more, as long as you're relaxed, it's okay. I like quite a fast, jiggly one. You might like a more kind of slow, bobby one. But as long as you can kind of feel the sort of flesh on your body bouncing a little bit, that's what we're looking for, that kind of, because that's what releases something, okay? So the other thing you'll see other mammals do, the ones that haven't forgotten how to respond to stress and anxiety well, is you're going to see them stretch and yawn, okay? So just lifting the arms up, stretching in some way that feels good, yeah? Whatever way feels good for you to stretch, and yawning. So just finding a yawn. It's a weird thing to do. It's probably quite a strange thing to watch me doing. Just have a go. Just stretching in whatever way feels nice. And having a yawn. Okay? So shaking, yawning, and sighing. Okay, so we're going to breathe in and sigh. It's a nervous system reset. It's a wonderful way to reset the nervous system, just doing those few things. Make it longer, stretch it out, do it for a minute or 20 minutes. Do it whenever you've got a little break during the day. It does just give your body a little system reset where you've tensed up. Sighing and yawning, well-known ways to kind of reset all sorts of things that are going on in the brain that might not be very helpful for you and might have got a bit stuck. That's it. That's a really short little nervous system reset. I hope it feels useful and great. Thank you very much for watching.